Have you ever wondered why you're sometimes drawn to someone completely different from you? Do you believe that opposites attract is the secret to a successful relationship? Or do you think that finding similarities with your partner is crucial for a strong and lasting connection? These are the questions we will be answering in this video. Welcome to our channel. Join us on a journey to your happier self. Today, we're embarking on a journey to demystify the commonly held belief that opposites attract in relationships. The idea of finding a partner who is your opposite has been widely romanticized in novels, movies, and so on, but it's not that simple. We'll unravel the complexities surrounding the concept of opposites attracting and what psychological evidence reveals about true compatibility. So, let's delve into the fundamental question: what is the truth behind the attraction myth in relationships? Number 6. Unraveling the myth. Is the saying opposites attract grounded in reality? Some argue against this notion, pointing to fundamental differences in how individuals perceive the world. Psychologically, compatibility stems from shared values and interests. For instance, extroverts might find introverted partners initially intriguing, but sustained connection often requires alignment in social preferences. The key lies in a shared life where both partners are open-minded and committed to mutual growth. Number 5. Rethinking opposites attract. What truly defines the concept of opposites attract? Research suggests that attraction between seemingly opposite individuals might be rooted in pre-existing trauma relationships rather than genuine compatibility. Psychology emphasizes that healthy relationships thrive on understanding and support, challenging the notion that stark differences drive sustainable attraction. Genuine compatibility arises from shared values and emotional resonance rather than surface-level disparities. Number 4. Similarity in long-term relationships. Can similarity foster lasting relationships? Studies indicate that people in enduring partnerships tend to share more similarities, particularly in intelligence levels. As relationships progress, couples display nuanced differences in traits like extroversion. Contrary to the opposites attract myth, psychological well-being and satisfaction levels are higher in relationships where partners share common ground. This challenges the assumption that stark contrasts contribute to long-term happiness. And before we reveal how to practically apply these truths about the attraction myth in relationships, if you've enjoyed this video so far, show us your support by giving us a thumbs up, hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget the bell. Your support tells us that we're providing valuable insights to you, inspiring us to produce more content that will improve not only your love life, but also that of other viewers. Number 3. Moving forward. How can these insights benefit your love life? Recognizing that opposites may attract momentarily, but similarity is pivotal for lasting connections. It's crucial to approach dating with an open mind. Psychology supports the idea that while differences can add excitement, a lasting bond requires shared values. Assessing whether differences contribute positively to a relationship dynamic ensures that both partners can grow together in a harmonious and supportive environment. Number 2. Things to remember. When considering opposites attraction in your love life, there are 3 things you should never forget. Acknowledge that while opposites may attract temporarily, sustained relationships thrive on similarity. Differences, if not contributing positively, may lead to problems. Finding a balance is key. Similarity enhances the potential for a lasting and fulfilling relationship. Number 1. The ultimate advice. Reflect on the dynamics of your current relationship in light of the provided points. Consider whether differences contribute positively to the relationship or if they pose challenges. Assess the alignment of core values and beliefs to gauge long-term compatibility. Embrace an open mind and explore potential partners who may share fundamental similarities. Psychology supports the idea that flexibility and understanding are crucial for relationship success, allowing both partners to grow together. In conclusion, contrary to the popular belief that opposites attract, psychology suggests that sustained attraction often stems from shared values and emotional resonance. But bear in mind that debunking the myth of opposites attract doesn't mean you should shy away from dating individuals with differences. Embrace diversity, maintain an open mind, and foster kindness toward unique perspectives and backgrounds. The key lies in recognizing the importance of compatibility and shared experiences for long-term happiness. And if you want to get someone addicted to you, check out this video where we break down this issue in 10 easy steps for you to follow. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there.